learn about what is geography subject and what is the introduction about the related topic. Okay, and in the last video I also gave you important points for this lesson. I hope all of you complete that point. Okay, so today we are continuing with the next point. In our last video I explained you about the local time. What is meant by local time? Okay, so local time is what? Local. Local means a specific area. So the time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as local time. Okay, means it is depend on the location of the sun in the sky. Okay, local time is depend on the location of the sun in the sky. That point we have discussed in our last video. So today on page number 5 we are continuing with next point. Okay, that is standard time. So what is mean by standard time? See, here they give one example. See, on page number 5, geographical explanation. Longitudes lying to the east of any longitude are ahead of the time at that longitude, while those lying to the west are behind. As the distance between two longitudes increase, their local times also start differing. Means vice versa, as the distance between 2 points or 2 longitudes increases, that time local time obviously it differs always. If we multiply the difference between longitudes in degrees by 4 minutes, then the difference in the respective local time can be calculated. The difference in longitude can be known with the help of a globe or map. Globe or map, we use it as a geographical instrument, and with the help of that instrument we have find out the difference. Carry out the activity given on page number 75 and 76 and understand the standard time of various locations. As place changes, the local time also changes, it differs. Okay, so see if you can find out the standard time at two opposite longitudes with this activity. So see, here they give an example. Mumbai is located at 73 degree east longitude if the longitudinal extent is more than that, then one standard time is not enough, and in such countries, more than one standard time zones are considered. See, that is the condition. And here they explain that the example of Mumbai and Kolkata means how the standard time differs. Okay. Then it is the next concept, Indian Standard Time. So what is Indian Standard Time is? The Indian Standard Time has been decided according to the 82 degrees 30 minutes is longitude which passes through Mirzapur. This longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. See the example of Mirzapur. This longitude passes through which longitude? 82 degrees 30 minutes. That longitude passes through the middle of the country with reference to its longitudinal extent. The local time at this longitude has been selected as the standard time of the whole country. When the sun is directly overhead on this longitude, then it is assumed that it is 12 noon everywhere in India. There is no difference of more than 1 hour between the local time at 82 degrees 30 minutes and other places in the country. Okay. So for that, say that look at the figure 1.4 and answer the following question. So for that, you have to refer figure 1.4 in your textbook and follow the write down the answers of that question. Okay. Then see universal standard time. For international coordination between countries, the local time at Greenwich in England is considered to be the international standard time. Okay. So see, first we see the standard time, then Indian standard time, and now universal standard time. So what is the difference between both the three concepts? See, for an international coordination between countries, two countries. Okay, means for Indian standard time we consider two cities in a country, and now universal standard time, therefore we consider two different countries here. And what is the difference between the time of that two countries? Okay, so the local time at Greenwich in England is considered to be the international standard time. The difference in standard time of various countries is calculated with reference to GMT. Okay, the Indian standard time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Okay, if it is 5 p.m. at Greenwich, then in India it would be 10:30 p.m. Okay, means the difference of 5 hours. Okay, in India and Greenwich. So see, next thing, do you know National Institute of Standards and Technology, an institute in the United States of America, has developed the most accurate clock in the world. Clocks have to be adjusted by 1 second. In India, the National Physical Laboratory of India, New Delhi, gives services of accurate timekeeping. The clocks used here are accurate up to 1 lakh parts of a second. As accurate time is required for space research, artificial satellite launching, etc., these clocks are used in these activities. Okay. So one more information is given here. Jantar Mantar Astronomical. So what is the Jantar Mantar Astronomical? See, Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, the king of Jaipur, Rajasthan, was a great astronomer, mathematician, and artist. He built 5 astronomical observatories called Jantar Mantar at Ujjain, Varanasi, Jaipur, Delhi, and Mathura. The one at Mathura doesn't exist today, but one can visit the other 4. Even today, one can know the exact time up to seconds through shadow. Jantar Mantar do not only house sundials, but they are complete astronomical observatories. One can observe the sky from here too. That is the specialty of that place, that is Jantar Mantar Astronomical. With the help of instruments at Jantar Mantar, it it is still possible to see astronomical observations after the advent of modern instruments. Now these instruments are more of a cultural heritage. Okay. So here they give us the picture of that gentleman astronomical. Okay. So see, I hope all of you understood the part, but you have to read these key definitions and the concept again and try to understand it. Then only you have to solve the exercise. Okay. I also send you the exercise of this lesson in PDF format that you have to solve in your notebook, and also I gave you one assignment for this lesson first. Okay, that also you have to solve in your notebook, but you have to solve that assignment after exercise. Okay, so read again the lesson and try to understand.